INTRoVOYS is a Filipino pop-rock band formed in 1986 by 3rd-G Cristobal, Paco Arespacochaga, and Jonathan Buencamino. The band is now based in Los Angeles, California. INTRoVOYS was formed in Manila, Philippines in 1986 by 3rd-G Cristobal, Paco Arespacochaga, Jonathan Buencamino. 3rd-G and Paco were classmates in high school, but have known each other since elementary. The first incarnation of INTRoVOYS had Jonathan Buencamino, Paco Arespacochaga, and 3rd-G Cristobal in a small rehearsal space on the corner of Katipunan and Santolan in Quezon City, Philippines. During their first rehearsal, 3rd-G taught Paco how to play the drums. Later, they added Jonathan Buencamino's younger brother JJ to play keyboards. INTroVOYS, lead guitars, and Jobert Buencamino for bass guitar. In 1989, the band contributed to original songs Just a Dream and Lullaby to the compilation 10 of Another Kind, which showcased 10 tracks from 5 emerging acts in the Philippines' alternative music scene. Due to other priorities, 3rd-G had to give up his position as the band's rhythm guitar player. The band released their debut album, Back to the Roots, in 1990. Their first 2 singles received a lukewarm response, and the band's label, Dyna Records, was ready to drop them. In spite of this, their third single, however, Which Way, went to No, won in Metro Manila in just 2 weeks. It became the #1 song in the country after a month, paving the way for a national tour. Lullaby, the final track from 10 of Another Kind, would also be included in their debut album and re-released as one of its follow-up singles. Citation needed. IRA Cruz left the band in 1991. When Cruz left INTRoVOYS, Vic Carpio replaced him as their new guitarist. The band's second album, Breaking New Grounds, was released in 1992. Included in this album were the hits Will I Survive, Di Na Ako Asapa, Stay, and Are You Happy? The album achieved quadruple platinum status, earning INTRoVOYS the tag, the #1 band in the land. In 1993, the band released their third album, Line to Heaven, wherein the carrier single was written after Arespacochaga suffered the tragic loss of his parents. This album also included another hit song, Kailanman. In July 2014, INTRoVOYS released their single Naison Ka and launched a music video filmed in Los Angeles, Ka. In August 2014, the band's drummer Arespacochaga was featured on Tunay Na Bahay on GMA7. In September 2014, INTRoVOYS performed in Emga Vocalista NG De Kating New Benta US Tour along Jet Pangan, Gary Ignacio, Cookie Kua, and Wency Corneo. In May 2015, keyboardist Art Pangilin and left INTRoVOYS. They continued touring as a four-piece. In the end of 2015, JJ Buencamino, INTRoVOYS' original keyboard player, rejoined the band. In January 2016, INTRoVOYS released their latest album, Where We Left Off. G3 Misa left and INTRoVOYS guitar player Vic Carpio returns. In May 2018, bassist JD Dela Paz announced his hiatus with the band. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.